Got a GFCI plug here that's just not working. There's no juice to it at all. Circuit breaker is good, but it's not giving me anything. And I did a quick test here with my GFCI tester, and they're just showing open, like there's no juice in there. So something is not connecting to the power that's coming in. So I'm going to take it out and replace it. And this is the one that I picked up on Amazon. It's called ELECTECK. Here's what you're going to get in the package. Comes with plates. I won't need that in my case because I've got this outdoor plug there. You got the bolts to attach it, some stickers to annotate that there's no equipment ground. It's a GFCI outlet. And then here's the outlet itself. And it seems to be pretty good quality. It's all marked up to tell you how to do it safely and what not to do, and what to use these two bolts for in case you've got other socket or outlets that are connected to this main GFCI. So let's get this installed and see how it works, see if it fixes my problem. So I got the cover off here, pulled the old outlet out, and then just did a quick test to see if there's power going to these leads, and we do see that we've got 100 volts coming through here, so this is what we're looking for. So clearly there's something wrong with this because nothing is reacting with this reset or test or anything in this outlet. So let's swap that out. Got our new outlet installed. Do a quick self-test here. And we got the green light, and it looks like we got power. Do a quick test with my GFCI tester. And we got the green light. It says it's correct, 123 volts. So problem solved. And it's all in, and we are complete. So hey, I hope that was helpful. Learn a little bit more about this replacement GFCI from ELECTECK. I hope this was helpful to you, and as always, hope you have a great day.